and welcome to my channel. I hope you're all doing well. I'm Claire and today we're in the kitchen and we're filming a clean the fridge with me. My fridge has got so bad, there's a big puddle in the bottom and it desperately needs done. Okay, so this is what we're dealing with. I've got cardboard stuck at the back, which I'm not even sure if I'm going to be able to get off. And I have this massive puddle at the bottom. And the back is overflowing and it's disgusting. So let's just see what we can do.
Girl, you should wear a name tag. Need vicious presenting. Girl, you should wear a name tag. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Whoa. Let's go. Summer's gone, I'm latching on. Don't even know your name, but you're still in my head. Underneath rays of...
Okay, so this is what we're left with, and it is disgusting. Ugh. I am so embarrassed to even have a kind of fridge like this. And oh my god, I don't know if you can see it, but the puddle is huge. So let's just clean it up. Okay, so while I'm washing everything else, I'm going to spray it with my Method grapefruit and I'm going to leave it sit on it while I clean the rest of everything because I feel like that's a good idea. Letting things soak while everything else is getting cleaned is always a good way forward. I'm probably going to end up taking everything out, even the shelves, and giving them a clean too. But for now, I can just let them soak. Save electricity, I'm going to shut it as well.
Forget when I saw you on the dance floor. Oh, I saw you who saw me first. I guess it's history now and I shouldn't care, but it still hurts. I didn't realize the danger, cause you're the end of the rainbow. And the music was so loud, didn't catch your name over this crowd. Girl, you should wear a name tag, cause all I wanna do is to know your name. Girl, you should wear a name tag, that's the only way that I get your name. Girl, you should wear a name tag, it's too important to be your name. People go insane when you walk by. Girl, you should wear a name tag. I need you on the dance floor. 4 a.m. and we go home. I guess it's history now and I shouldn't care, but it still hurts. I didn't realize the danger, cause you're the end of the rainbow. And the music was so loud, didn't catch your name over this crowd. Girl, you should wear a name tag, cause all I wanna do is to know your name. Girl, you should wear a name tag, that's the only way that I get your name. Girl, you should wear a name tag, it's too...
Okay, to save me running back and forth, I've got my vase, whatever you want to call it, with me. And I'm going to get all the water, instead of having to run back and forth to the sink, I'm going to collect it all in here and then I'm just going to empty it once. Saves me time, it may be lazy, but I hate having to, go back and forth.
Your name, people go insane when you walk by. Girl, you should wear a name tag. I didn't realize the danger.
better at the back. All of this is frozen and it's really hard to get off, and you would have seen in the video I was melting it, but I'm running out of time, so I've had to leave it as it is. But it's much better than it was. All clean. It's amazing now, no crumbs or anything. Liners in. It definitely makes the part. It's really nice. I like the touch with the pink, you know. I love everything pink. You'll probably discover that the more videos I upload. So now that I've done that, I'm going to put everything back in. I'm going to check everything and make sure it's actually in date. So yeah, let's... From this is the finished result. So we have all of our cooked and like ready to eat things, and then we've got dairy at the bottom and like sauces and stuff, and then we've not got much veg, but this is where we keep our veg. Then we've got our butter on the door because it doesn't get too hard there, and then we've got like jam and then some weird peanut butter sauce, and then we've got our like cheese spreads and some chili sauce. And we've got our mayo as well. I'm casually chilling in the fridge. Get it? Chilling. Anyway, I hope you really enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, I'd love if you'd like and subscribe and stick around for more, and yeah, I'll see you in my next one. Bye!